Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, as you can see, we're going to make another quick, nice, easy pasta. Eggplant, tomatoes with a linguine. You can use any pasta you want, tagliatelle, spaghetti, that's up to you. It's very easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at this really simple pasta we're going to be doing. So there's my eggplant. I've cut it in kind of little fingers like that, but you can do it however you want. I've got 1 can or tin of plum tomatoes, some roughly chopped garlic, a little bit of onion, I'm using white today, a little bit of oregano, some chili flakes, or if you don't have chili flakes you could be using cayenne pepper or chili powder, and just a few olives. This is really, really easy. Let's go and do it. Okay, first up we're going to need a pan or pot that you're going to use. I'm going to use my favourite wok at the moment, and in there I've got some oil. I've got some sunflower oil. You could be using a different oil if you wanted. Simply, we're going to get in our eggplant. I'm going to give these a little fry around for about 4 or 5 minutes. Now be careful with the amount of oil you use, because if you put loads of oil in, these guys are just going to soak them up. So you don't need to put a crazy amount. The more oil you put in, the more they're going to soak up anyway. As you can see, that oil's nearly gone already. Okay, about 4 minutes or so, keep them moving, then we're going to take them out and then we're going to make a really simple sauce and then reintroduce them. Okay, so as you can see there, we've got a nice little bit of colour on them. We're going to take them out and come back with the empty pan. So back, touch more oil, going to go in with our onions. And our garlic. Gonna add a little bit of salt. We're gonna hit it with some black pepper. And then we're gonna go just for about 3 minutes. Keep stirring. Wonderful. These are just starting to come together. Gonna pop those olives in. I'm using some nice black olives there with the stones in. You could be using green or chopped. I mean, it's a whole, like I say. A little bit of our dried oregano. It's like a teaspoon there. And then the same with our chili flakes, or if you wanted your chili powder or cayenne pepper. And now we're going to introduce that 1 can of tomatoes. We're pretty much done now. Okay, what we want to do now, as you can see, I'm just breaking these tomatoes down with the back of my spoon. We just want to go now for about, well, I mean, you can cook this as long as you like now, mate. If you've done this for an hour, be all right. So look, I'm going to go for about 7 minutes on this, giving it a stir every now and then. Okay, this is looking beautiful. And like I say, with a tomato sauce like this, or like a pasta sauce, some kitchens it's just cooked for hours and hours. The longer the better, really. But we're going fast today, and that 7 minutes was great. We're now going to pop back in our eggplant. And we're going to let this go just for about 90 seconds, a couple of minutes. Then finally, we're going to add our pasta. Okay, beautiful. Check that for salt, you might want to add a bit more. Or you might even want to add a bit more chili, that's up to you. Simply, we're going to get our pasta. In my case today, it's linguine, and then we're going to pop it in. Now, just so you know, any pasta works. Spaghetti's really good. Something kind of long like this, tagliatelle or spaghetti's good, but other pasta will work. We're going to throw this around in the pan just for like 2 minutes or so now, covering our sauce. And that's it. I hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please do click that bell icon below and get notifications from us. Give us a thumbs up, give us a comment. Always good to hear from you. And we'll see you soon. Lots of love.